everybody. Today we will communicate a transcendental via telepathy or how to generate immense power for a human being. Must be need alpha level. Bring this situation. Focus your attention on your forehead. Then count down 100 to 1. Observe the right hemisphere. Deep breath. Entire body relax, head to toes. Slightly tight your head muscles, then relax. Then breathe. Then neck area tight, release, breathe. Chest tight, then release, then breathe. Then both hands tight, then release, then breathe. Then abdomen tight, relax, breathe. Then buttocks tight, release, then breathe. Then both thighs, then both calf muscles tight, release, then breathe. Then ankles, all feet, both left and right, tight, then release. Then entire body relax, head to toes. Visualize in front of you, have a full size mirror. Look your image, tell the image and smile. I am okay, I am okay, I am okay. The image reflect you and murmuring to yourself, you are okay, you are okay, you are okay. Then focus your attention on your third eye chakra, forehead. That time feel a warmth or a tingling sensation in your root chakra. Then you feel your brain colorful. Then enter your brain and please allow me my brain to generate or secrete hormones properly. That is wellness hormones secreting in observing right hemisphere. Dopamine, endorphin, serotonin and oxytocin. Deep breath. Once again tell your image in front of your mirror and smile. I am okay, I am okay, I am okay. Then again tell the image you are okay, you are okay, you are okay. Thanks for watching with Love Light of Reiki.